Hammer toe. It is a painful deformity wherein a toe bends unnaturally. Hammer toe can develop on any of the toes, but generally affects the middle three and most often the second toe. When unusual stress is applied over a period of years, the joints and tendons of your foot can cease to function in a balanced manner and toes, in an effort to compensate, can begin to bend into a hammer toe shape. And hammer toe is caused when muscles fail to work in a balanced manner and the toe joints bend to form the hammer toe shape. Here's the solution. I recommend you to use the Comforter Triple Toe Separator. This ergonomically designed with triple toe separators. It can be inserted into either one of the three toes on our feet at one time. It is developed with a silicone material which provides good cushioning and comfort while walking. It acts well as a toe separator and helps relieve pressure for conditions like hammer toe.